Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our installation videos to you guys. So what we've been working on today is the unbelievably high quality Bentley Bentayga. On this car, many of you may be thinking, what can we actually do to upgrade this car? But we have solutions for this vehicle too. Everything from audio systems to get a better sound out of the vehicle to some gadgets that we've added on today. So what we're going to do is talk you through a little bit about the three products that we've installed. So this customer has been with us for a number of years now and we kit out all of their cars across their whole family. So we're really proud to be showcasing this installation of. So what we've installed is three products. One is called the Laser Track system, one is called Target Blu Eye, and the other one is called Road Angel. If you own one of these vehicles or a high performance vehicle such as this, these are three products you definitely want to get your hands on. So what we do is work by a consultation basis. You bring your car along, we have a chat, we design the system and how you want everything set up just for you, depending on whatever products and where you want stuff placed as well within your vehicle. Whether you want it completely covert or all on display, we decide that all when we see you in your vehicle. So we're based in Cambridge and this vehicle has been worked on inside our fabulous workshop facilities within Cambridge as well. We've got over 6,000 square foot worth of facilities ready to be worked on in your car in a completely clean, safe, as well as spacious environment. So we're not damaging the vehicle at all. We're opening the doors with a lot of extra room on the sides as well. So you know that your pride and joy is being worked on by, first of all, trained FITAS approved engineers, second of all, in a lovely workshop environment. So first of all, we'll start with Target Blu Eye. That's an emergency service warning device. We've done loads of other videos on that, so feel free to check that out. But basically it's an emergency service warning device that alerts you by an audible as well as visual alert for any approaching or oncoming emergency vehicles. That's marked police cars, also unmarked police cars, as well as the rest of the emergency services that are on the network. So this system is all based around Tetra and it receives that Tetra signal and transceives it onto a little display that we've mounted on the dashboard. Second product that we've installed is the Road Angel Pure. Absolutely phenomenal product. We've got this installed currently in our demo car, so feel free to check out reviews online for that system. Also, if you're interested in that, feel free to get in touch and we can install that for you as well. What that product does is picked up on speed cameras for database. We use two products for speed camera detection. One is a Road Angel Pure and the other is a Cheetah 550. Both phenomenal products, perform in a slightly different way, and we go through the options for those with you on the day. In terms of the other product that we've installed, this is the third and final on this particular install, which is the Laser Track system, which is an automatic gate opener, which basically applies to the front number plate, and what it does is it opens the gate or turns on a light at home automatically. A really smart solution for those of you looking for a neat, tidy option in terms of gate openers that you're not using an extra fob. So for more details on that particular system, feel free to get in touch with us. We've also done another video on that, which was put onto a McLaren. We do these sorts of systems and work on these types of vehicles day in and day out. So feel free to get in touch with us if you're looking for a professional install, looking for someone to take pride in their work and also take pride of your vehicle while it's being worked on. We'll drop all our details below, so feel free to get in touch, visit us, see what we're all about, check out our Google reviews. But once again, thank you for watching our short video on the Bentley Bentayga and the upgrades that we've carried out. Thank you very much once again, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.